Thanks for joining in today. I am Jagger with ZLINE Kitchen and Bath, and today we're going to place some burner spreads. Okay, so the model we have here is the RT48. And the reason I picked this model for this video is because it possesses every burner spread we make. So this is going to cover every model, the RT36, RT30, RA30, and so on. Alright, so this is the first burner spread, which is for the dual walk. So what I'd like to do first is get a real close-up view of the back of this burner spread, but really close-up view of the center of it. Alright, so a close-up view of the back of this spread, we see that there's two pegs, one that is circular and one that is more of an oval shape. So this is going to help us line it up on the actual burner itself, make sure we have a good even flame and everything. If you put it on backwards, you'll have really an out of control flame, and that is no good at all. So let's go ahead and put it on. So you have the more circular peg up here, and then you have the more oval shape cut out down here. So you want to line that up with the actual burner, and let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we are at the dual walk burner, and we're going to put the spread on. So what we're going to do is grab the spread and line it up properly. Just place it right on there. So I'm in there. It's got a little wiggle room. It's going to be about 1/8 of an inch or maybe a little less than that, but it's going to be fine as long as you got those pegs and those cutout openings. So we got a little bit of groove, but that is totally fine. So you just need to put on your caps. And that is the dual walk burner. We have the fish burner here, and it's pretty simple. It's elongated shape. And if we flip it over on its back side, we can see right here there is a little hole. Now this little hole is what the spark tip is going to go through. So now we're going to move over to the actual burner and place that spark tip through that hole. Here we are at the actual fish burner, and we are going to place the spread on there. As you can see, we have the hole here, and I'm just going to line that up with the actual spark tip. And there we go. We have it on there. All we need to do else is place the cap. Okay, so these final three are going to be very simple to place. These final three are the auxiliary burner, the semi-rapid, and the rapid. And like I said, they're super easy to put on. If you can tell on the left side, there's a notch, and that is where the spark tip is going to fit into. So very simple, very easy, and we're just going to go ahead and put them on. Alright, so here we are at the auxiliary burner, and what we're going to do is grab our burner spread for the auxiliary and just find that little notch, place it right there. It fits right in, super easy. And all you have to do now is put on the cap, and you are done. So all you'll have to do is do the rest of them like that, the other two, the semi-rapid and the rapid, and that will finish it off. I really hope this video was helpful today. Please call 614-777-5004 if you have any ZLINE Kitchen and Bath questions, and please have a blessed day today. Thank you.